So hello guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Today in this video I discuss about new trading platform. So guys, this platform link in my description box. So let's go and click the registration link and open this platform. Check this platform. This is the interface of this platform. So guys, first of all, register an account. You have to put your email address and login password and confirm password and create transaction password and simply click the register now button. So guys, after registration process will be completed, check this is the latest announcement of this platform. So guys, you can read it, then click the confirm button. And here you can see this is the interface of this platform. So guys, now know about the VIP section. You can check I have already purchased VIP 1. Their price only 20 USDT and per day income is 1.35 USDT. And you can check VIP 2, their price only 70 USD and per day income is 7.55 USD. So guys, you can check all VIP level, their price and also daily incomes. So guys, now know about the recharge process, how to recharge. This is a very easy process. To click the recharge and copy this address and go to your cryptocurrency wallet. This is my wallet, so you need to click the USD button, send button, paste the address, click the next button, fill up your rechargeable amount. After recharge done, you need to click the submit button, and here you can see my recharge already done. So guys, now you need to complete your total task. For task, you need to click here and click the submit button. So guys, you can check my first order is done. So guys, you need to repeat this process again and again. And so guys, now my total task is done. So guys, now know about the team section. This is the second way of earning. So you need to copy this address and share your friend family. If your friend join a recharge, so you can get very good profit and get very good commission. And you can check team section, there are 3 levels. So guys, you can make your own team, get very good profit and get very good commission. So guys, now you can check this is the salary description, so you can read it. And now know about the withdraw process, how to withdraw. This is a very easy process. So you need to click the withdraw button and then you need to click the submit button, add withdraw method, and now you need to put your withdraw address and password. So guys, now you can check, you need to click the submit button. Here you can see my withdraw address is expired. So now you need to put your withdrawable amount. My withdrawable amount is 1.35 USD and password, and click the submit button. And here you can see my address successful done. So guys, withdraw receive time is 1-2 minutes, so I'm waiting 1-2 minutes. Okay, so guys, here you can see I received 1.35 USDT. This is the live withdraw proof of this platform. So guys, this platform link in my description box. So why are you so late? So let's go and click the registration link and use this platform. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.